Good afternoon, everyone. Meteorologist Michael Wilhite here with Southern Indiana Weather, bringing you a quick forecast update this afternoon. Boy, that was some doozy of some storms we had. Plenty more on the way as we head into the week. We're sponsored today by Welps Farm and Greenhouse and Gift Shop. You can visit them online at whelpsfarmandgreenhouse.com. Folks, they do a fantastic job. They have two greenhouses. They raise annuals, perennials, herbs, vegetables. If you need onion sets, garden plants, and seeds, potatoes, come see them, folks. Got some needs for your lawn? Maybe you need some straw. Maybe you need some grass seeds. Come see them. Farm toys, hard to find farm toys for that matter. Memorial Day gift ideas, flowers for funerals, you name it, folks. They do a lot of great things. So give them a call at, let's see here, 326-2709. And of course, visit them on the web, whelpsfarmandgreenhouse.com. Be sure to tell them Southern Indiana Weather sent you. All right, back over here onto satellite and radar. There the blob is out of our way. Now you can see, notice all the multiple severe thunderstorm warnings, even some tornado warnings popped up with this. No confirmed touchdowns at this point yet, although there was some damage reported to some pole barns, trees uprooted, well, snapped, things like this. Just some, could be some tornado damage, could be some just typical straight line wind or microburst damage as well. I'm sure the Weather Service will be out there surveying eventually, and we'll keep you updated. Either way, that is gone now for the night. Temperatures behind it down into the low 60s right now, and that's pretty much where we're going to hang out, I think, for most of the night. A little bit of clearing off to our west, but again, just like last night, the satellite not exactly picking up on all of the clouds that are out there. So some of this is sort of a sunny sky. Some of this, there are a few more clouds there than what it's indicating. It looks like we're going to stay fairly gloomy most of the night. We might go down to partly cloudy skies if we are lucky tonight, but we'll still have a fair amount of clouds around. Future radar tonight, there is that complex of storms moving off, and you can see as we go through the overnight hours here, we actually get some drying out, and of course that's a real good thing because some places got 3+ inches of rain again today, on top of the 5+ that we saw last week. So not like we need any more rain with this, but here we go, and you can see just a few spotty showers during the overnight hours, and really as we head into Wednesday, not a whole lot going on early in the morning here. All right. Let's talk about our severe weather chances the rest of the week. We had a little bit of severe weather today. Marginal risk of severe weather again tomorrow. You can see the better focus is again out to our west. Powerful cold front's going to accelerate towards us, and we'll face that front a little bit later in the week. But tomorrow, just a marginal risk for us. That equates to basically a 5% risk for severe weather. That's what we were in most of today, although we did get upgraded to a slight risk this afternoon around the 12:30 p.m. update. So again, another chance for some isolated storms tomorrow that could be like what we saw today. So that's something we'll keep in mind. Better chances though will come on Thursday though. That's when the whole area is underneath of a slight risk of severe weather. In fact, there's an enhanced risk just immediately out to our west. If we just take a look at what the probabilities say for that, then again, 15% for us, 30%, and even a hatched area out to our west. This is where the most significant severe weather would come in. This is all going to come in because of a cold front that's going to be accelerating our way. Could bring a pretty powerful squall line. By the time we get into Friday, though, the good news is the severe weather threat moves off to our east. Let's time it out on future radar here. Now, I want to preface this by saying HiRes NAM has done terrible the past couple of days. Let me just show you why. Here's this afternoon what we went through. Notice the lack of storms here in southern Indiana. It did not catch what we went through at all. NAM is just being pathetic today. Really, all the global models just have not catched this. So the shorter term HRRR model has been sort of the only thing that we could really rely on today. So didn't get that, but for what it's worth, it does keep us just some spotty showers overnight. Hopefully we won't get too much more. But then as you can see tomorrow, chances go down. Again, maybe some storms during the afternoon hours. But then watch this as we head into the overnight hours on Thursday and then into Thursday morning. Take a look at this. By the afternoon, we've got a developing squall line here out to our west. You can see it by about 5 o'clock on Thursday, approaching St. Louis. As I continue to put this into motion, it becomes a pretty powerful and potent from the way it looks on radar. Here's by 8 o'clock. Finally, here's by 11 o'clock, crossing the river and nearing in the area, and it's all out of the area here by 2 a.m. So it looks like it's going to be a late night, say from about 9 to midnight, 1 a.m. sort of thing on timing right now for the squall line. So again, all modes of severe weather could be in play with this, so we'll keep an eye on it. Tornadoes, probably the threat of that is pretty low, but certainly still there. The greater tornado threat would really be out here where that enhanced risk of severe weather is. But some damaging straight line winds and hail would be possible, along with torrential rain again. So that's something that we're going to keep an eye on. Speaking of rain, plenty of rain to come this week, as you can see. Multiple rounds moving through, so another few inches of rain possible. Do we need to build an ark? I don't know, maybe. But nonetheless, several inches still coming. All right. You can see that reflected in the forecast. Go to southernindianaweather.com. Again, we'll take it down to scattered chances. I had numerous showers and thunderstorms in the forecast today. Take it down to some scattered chances tonight. Pretty much what you see is what you get right now for about our overnight low. We're not going to go very much further. Warm 78 for your high tomorrow with some scattered showers and thunderstorms. I had a 90% chance today. We'll drop it down to 50% tomorrow. Not as numerous in coverage again. Better chance on Thursday evening, especially 78 again for your high. And then it starts to clear out. By the time Friday morning comes, we'll see some showers and thunderstorms earlier in the day, but it'll start to clear out. 64 for your high. Still a nice weekend in effect as you go on, but yes, more rain to begin with next week. So a very active weather pattern shaping up, and it looks like it's just going to stay that way for a while. That's your quick forecast update for the evening. I'm meteorologist Michael Wilhite. Have a great night, folks. Stay safe. We'll see you tomorrow.